So you're thinking about moving to Pensacola, Florida. In this video, I will show you the most affordable 3 and 4 bedroom homes in the entire Pensacola area. And stay tuned to the end where I will give you a full walkthrough tour of the most popular floor plan of this builder. So let's take a look at the first home here. And let's actually first start with the community. This community is built by HB Value Homes, and these are good starter homes. They are gonna not have, high-end features, and we'll get more into those details, but perfect starter homes at a very affordable rate. So this community is called Sabal Place, and so Sabal Place is up in the kind of the northeast Ferry Pass area. And let's take a quick look at the map. Here it is right here, and zoom in just a little bit. So the Ferry Pass area, is said, it's close to a lot of things. University of West Florida would just be about 7 minutes away. It's just about 1 mile away from West Florida Hospital. It's very close to the shopping areas. So the main shopping corridors right here. You have the most shopping centers when it comes to the mall. It's also very close to the airport, and then easy access not only to the interstate I-10 and also 110, which would take you downtown. So again, here's the Cordova Mall, Target, Sam's Club, Walmart, all the major shopping areas and shopping centers, and also just less than 10 minutes from Pensacola State College. And I think I mentioned that, but also just a little bit further to the Pensacola Airport. And again, getting out to the west, like Navy Federal, it's just going to be about 10 minutes from there. Getting over to the military bases, it's going to be about 25 to 30 minutes. And then getting down to the beach is going to be about 25 to 30 minutes. So let's go back here. And the first plan we're going to look at is right here. It's the address is 7892 Maxton Road, and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1246 square feet. And let's take a look at the details. Here's the floor plan. From the outside, you got the brick skirts, vinyl siding. Here's the front door. And then into the hallway here, living room with mostly the carpet throughout. We'll look into the kitchen. Again, gray counters, stainless steel appliances, no island kitchen, but a pretty open, good space. With this particular home, you're gonna have to be able to buy or negotiate to get your refrigerator. There's a look into the living room, sliding door, and then a look to the front entry. And that's kind of like, can be like a little dining area or eat-in area. And again, another view from the living room. And then you get your first look into the bathroom there. And again, no solid surface, single vanity here, plastic tub, shower. Here's a look at the laundry room from the garage. 2-car garage on all these homes, which is nice. Your water heater is going to be on the outside. And the other bathroom right there. Just a little look. One of the other bedrooms. Another view from the bedroom. A little hard to visualize, with it not being furnished and exactly tell. But here's a little look at the bathroom. And the third bedroom. A little bit smaller, but still, a lot of value for what you're getting here. And then here's finally the floor plan. Again, it is the Addison model, 1516 square feet. I'm Kenneth Rackers, and I'm a real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you looking to make the move to Pensacola, Florida, and love it. So whether you're moving in 7 or 70 days, just reach out by call, text, or email, however is best for you, and I'll get back to you right away. And then the next home we're going to look at is the 4-2 here. And again, this is the lowest price for 2 in the entire Pensacola area as of on the market, today. So we're looking at 7880 Maxton Road, 4 beds, 2 bath, 1805 square feet, and starting price is $272,900. But look at the virtual tour or the walkthrough tour. So again, this is in a different community, but the home will be exactly like this. You can see this is fully furnished. This is a model home. Carpet mostly throughout. This is the front bedroom or office. In the front of the home, it's currently set up as an office, you can see. Pretty good size, good closets. Next up is the entry from the garage, where the laundry room would be. And then off into the living room, great room. And you can kind of see what the setup would look like, with your stuff, being with the sofas. Plenty of room for large sofas and entertainment center, TV. And then swing over to the dining area, eat-in area. Definitely room for a large table here. And looking back into the living room and then over into the kitchen, open floor plan. The way this is set up, it kind of has like an island. Again, this is a value builder, so you're going to have laminate counters in here, so not granite or solid surface counters. You are going to have stainless steel appliances. These particular homes, you typically use gray cabinets at this point. This is the owner's suite or the master bedroom. Good size, and definitely room for a king bed, couple nightstands, even room for like a little bench there. Good natural light coming in there. We are into the master bathroom, and you can see vanities there, single vanity in this one. And then off back into the living room, sliding door. Walk down into the third bedroom, and a decent sized bedroom, just one window, but certainly enough room for a kid's bedroom. Here's the bathroom, the hallway, plastic insert shower. So at this building, you're not going to see tile in any of the bathrooms just because of the price. And then finally the fourth bedroom, a good decent sized bedroom. I believe that's a queen bed in there. Back into the living room, another swing around, and outside the lot. So if you have any questions about these homes, anything covered in this video, interested in possibly checking out these homes or interested in a brand new home in the Pensacola area, definitely reach out right away, because every week they sell between 3 and 6 of these homes. And if you don't get in this phase, they close out the neighborhood, close out the phase. And if you wait, you might be waiting 6 or 8 months to get the next phase, or they might just sell the entire community out, especially with these the lower price models around the 260, 270, 280. Those ones are selling the fastest. So again, thanks for tuning in. Please reach out whether you move in 7 or 70 days. It would be my pleasure to assist you. Just reach out by call, text, or email, or comment just below. And please do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video and gained any valuable insight, just hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to hear more videos from me. Until next time, thanks for tuning in and take care.